I would either go to the gym or or a networking group. That's really how I've met a lot of great people, and connect with other like-minded entrepreneurs and just start setting up meetings to show the plan. That's what I would do, because social media takes time to develop. Like, I would obviously continue to do social media, but if I didn't know anybody, I do a mixture of everything. Like, I do stuff on social media, but I'm all about like meeting people face to face. And if I had to build and I had to build fast, I would get my butt out there and put myself in an environment where people are already speaking about what they do professionally, and I'd get as many sit down appointments as possible.